back to factory settings. This function helps you cancel all previous changes in settings of beverage parameters and return to factory settings. Such settings as quantity of beverages prepared and quantity of maintenance programs performed, as well as language settings, will not be affected. Display message ready. Press Settings button to enter program mode. Use navigation buttons to find menu point menu and confirm your choice by pressing Settings button. Using navigation buttons, find menu point Factory Settings and confirm your choice by pressing Settings button. Using navigation buttons, choose Yes or No and confirm your choice by pressing Settings button. To exit program mode, wait until display message shows ready.